Get your eagle on. Y'all saw the new 156 Pokemon on the new Pokemon game? Black and white, them Pokemon look off the fucking chain, nigga! Them Pokemon look off, this is the best looking Pokemon I ever seen. I wanna catch all them motherfuckers. I wanna catch all of them. Usually there's like 5 or 6 good Pokemon, but on this one, all of them look good, nigga. All of them look good. Them motherfucking new Pokemon look off the goddamn chain. I'm getting every one of them motherfuckers. Pokemon, Pokemon, Pokemon. Yeah, I like Pokemon, bitch, and what? I love Pokemon. I beat out to every episode, nigga. You gonna sit up here and talk shit to me? I love Pokemon, son. Pikachu, Raichu, Squirtle, Charizard. Why you hating? Why you hating? Cause I like Pokemon and you don't? That's the real gangsters. Fuck the Crips and the Bloods. Blastoise versus Charizard, nigga. Now what? Ash is a faggot. I don't give a fuck what nobody says. Ash is gay. Every season he gets a new female partner. And he don't fuck not one. Not one bitch. He ain't never bent over and said, let me give you this poker dick. I would have been fucking my motherfucking female companions every goddamn episode. They wouldn't call it Pokemon, they'll call it Poke a Hoe. Fuck, nigga. Bitch, Misty wanted his dick, nigga. He gonna make Misty go off. I'm gonna Pikachu taking notes. And how come you never see an episode when the Pokemon's fucking? I wanna see Pikachu fuck the shit out of a Gyarados. I wanna see some Pokemon fucking. They should make Pokemon XXX. That shit would sell millions of dollars. I love Pokemon. And you gonna sit up here and be rude to me? You gonna sit here and laugh at me? I'm not laughing. This ain't no joke. This is real life. I love Pokemon. Can the Bloods shoot you with a motherfucking water gun attack? Nah, Crips can't. Can the Bloods shoot fire out they goddamn mouth like Charizard? No. Can Bloods or Crips evolve? No. Stop hating on Pokemon. Everybody out here talking mess about Pokemon. Talking about some Pikachu weak. Pikachu can't fight. Pikachu whoop your ass. And I swear to God, if any of y'all, I ever see any of y'all making fun of my Pokemon, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I swear to God, I'm gonna kill you. Jigglypuff is the finest bitch on Pokemon. I be wanting to fuck the shit out of Jigglypuff and have the bitch sing to me. Jigglypuff, Jiggly, nigga dick. Why you hating? Why are you laughing? This ain't no game. I'm gonna tell you one more goddamn time. Here, no more games in here. No more games, bro. No more. That's my Pokemon rant. I'm gonna upload that rant to YouTube. I'm gonna put Black Man Loves Pokemon. Black Man Loves Pokemon.